Namaskar. I am Colonel Krishna Kumar Bishoyi, President of the Management Committee, Saraswati Shishu Vidya Mandir, Khalilpur. It gives me immense pleasure and honor to inform you all that we are going to celebrate the Silver Jubilee of our beloved school on 26th December to 28th December this year. This Silver Jubilee marks 25 years of dedication, discipline, and value-added education. It is not just a celebration, but a moment to honor the past, to recognize everyone who contributed to the growth of the institution, and to reaffirm our collective vision for future. During this celebration, we will have cultural performances, inspirational speeches, and reminisce. I warmly invite all the students, alumni, teachers, parents, and well-wishers to join us for the historic moment. Your presence will strengthen the spirit of this milestone. Let us come all together to make this celebration a memorable one. Thank you. Jai Hind.